welcome back to my channel, that is No How with Subbu. I hope you all are doing very well. So in this video I'm going to review two products from the company The Body Avenue. Yes, I have tried their two products. One is the retinol serum and another is their under eye cream. So we are going to talk in detail about both the products. So let's begin the video. But video start करने से पहले what you all have to do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon so that you never miss any kind of update from my side. So let's begin. Let's start with the first product, that is their retinol serum. I was really looking to buy retinol serum as recently I was getting so many dark spots and pigmentation problem due to change in weather and change in my place. Yes, I have moved to my hometown due to this COVID situation, due to which my skin was breaking out as well as my pigmentation was also increasing. So for that, retinol serum is really amazing. And when I searched on Amazon, I got this one from the Amazon recommendation. The reviews was amazing as well as the ingredients present in it speaks a lot. Yes, here is the entire ingredient detail, but two ingredients which forced me to buy it was the hyaluronic acid and the witch hazel. Both are really amazing if you have oily skin or acne prone skin. So these two ingredients can be your best friend. Yes, this serum is really amazing. I have used it for about 1 month and I can clearly see the difference. My dark spots has been reduced, my pigmentation problem is reducing, like you can say it has been reduced up to 60 to 70%, and also my acne problem is stopped. This serum is really amazing, very light on skin. I have oily in combination skin and I don't feel heavy after using it. I use it daily in morning as well as at night after washing my face. It is very easy to use. So as this serum comes in this glass kind of bottle with a pump on it, you can clearly see. Pump is very good to use. It takes the actual amount of product that you need.
So guys, here I am adding a demo how I use serum after washing my face. The droplet is very good. It really takes the right amount of serum that is required for one time. After applying the serum, I am warming my hands to massage it. Give it a very soft hand massage so that the serum properly penetrates to the layer of your skin. By tapping your skin, you are enhancing and boosting the blood circulation, which is really effective for glowing skin. And as I mentioned before, serum is totally non-sticky.
You get 30 ml product for rupees 12.99, but there is amazing discount going on Amazon. I will be mentioning each and every link and the amount of discount in the description as well as on the screen. You can go and check it. If you want to buy, you can use that link. This serum is really amazing. If you use it daily, you can clearly see the result within 10 days. Another product from the Body Avenue that I really loved is their under eye cream. It is so light, like you can't even say that you have applied anything on it, and the ingredient list is also amazing. And also the product from the Body Avenue are 100% organic. They use organic and the natural ingredients, so you don't have to worry. There is no kind of any chemical, paraben or mineral oil added in any of these products. This under eye gel is amazing if you are suffering from wrinkle problem, dry under eye, puffiness, like in morning if you wake up with puffy eyes. So this cream will really save you. Yes, you just have to apply at night when you sleep after washing your face. Take a pea size of it. Pea size is enough to apply the under eye cream. Here I will be showing you how to apply an eye cream with few steps that can really help you to reduce your wrinkles as well as puffiness of the eyes.
After washing my face, I just take a pea size of eye cream. You can clearly see it has a water gel based kind of texture. After applying it, just warm your finger by rubbing them and give a good massage. Make sure you massage it very softly because under eye area is very sensitive. You don't want to be harsh over there. Always massage in this direction. In this way, your skin will be tight and the wrinkle formation will be reduced. I really like this step, pressing your eyes with hand. It is really important. It really reduces the stress level. Try it once and you can literally see the difference. This step will reduce the stress level and give you relaxment, and you will really feel the difference in your sleep. Trust me, this step will give you a very good sleep. By doing these few steps, you can really take care of your eyes.
after using this under eye cream, I can really tell you that it has really worked on my puffiness problem and dark circles. This cream comes in this glass jar kind of structure. You get 30 gram of product for rupees 6.99, but yes, again on Amazon you get a huge discount. Everything will be mentioned in a description. If you wish to buy these products, do buy them, try them, and yes guys, they work amazing on your skin. I have seen the difference after utilizing it. See, whenever you use any kind of natural product, please give them time. At least 10 to 15 days are required to see the result. So I urge everyone, whenever you use any kind of skincare product, do give them at least 10 days to see the result. But I can really see these two products are really magic. It really works amazing on your skin. So guys, go and buy it. So guys, this was for my today's video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And also guys, I will be coming up with another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.